Today human association and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new virtual entertainment blast. The vast majority have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about, however virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is an altogether clever idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost forecast. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an undeniable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to append an all-new command over the virtual place that is known for clients who can now buy, fabricate, and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better engaged to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their territory. The Authority Online Entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with forthcoming occasions. A complete information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and subsequently the data on this computer-generated experience stage is no problem at all. Decentraland, Mana, a virtual marvel. Every one of the resources and land bundles displayed in the game can be bought with a local token, called Mana, be it streets or courts. Since the land ownership is an NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum utilizing the ERC 721 guidelines, adaptability and security arise as noticeable metaverse game highlights. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games, for the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition beginning from January 17, melding metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, day-to-day popes and some more. Let's plunge further into Decentraland Mana value forecast and specialized examination. Decentraland, Mana, technical analysis and historical data. What should be seen here is that right from initiation, and according to the most recent News and Venture Council by crypto specialists and experts, the coin showed no development and lay drowsy with next to no beam of expectation for clients. Despite the fact that there were changes and advancements occurring in the innovation of blockchain, this resource stayed languid to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland digital money was around $0.024 in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24 cents mark yet confronted dismissal and recovered past help levels. The Decentraland cost didn't actually check huge developments and kept on exchanging a comparative cost range till the start of this current year. Then, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. A blast time, i.e., the bull driving the Mana pursuit, really emerged from December 2020, when the resource climbed to the Decentraland cost of around 80 cents. Till April 2021, Mana kept on showing a similar pattern, when the cost of Mana shot up to another high of $1.56. Nonetheless, subsequent to hitting another high, the Mana kept on adjusting downwards, and the Decentraland cost plunged underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the Mana coin set apart till the finish of October, and afterward it recorded a sharp climb which took the Decentraland cost above $3.5. From that point forward, the cash kept on exchanging with huge bullishness. In the last November, Decentraland denoted another record-breaking high of $5.90. Nonetheless, subsequent to a large portion of the computerized coin costs have been reflecting gigantic unpredictability, and there is a high gamble in crypto exchanging during unstable periods. Our suggestion to the merchants is to carry out their own groundwork, market conjecture prior to exchanging to limit the gamble in question. Very much like numerous digital forms of money, the Mana crypto can be bought through cryptographic money trades like Binance and Huobi Global. Decentraland price predictions. Market sentiment. Going by the specialized investigation, DECENTRALAND cost has had a notable journey all through contrasted with other computerized resources, and that could be the basic role for its prevalence as well. The ongoing cost of DECENTRALAND digital currency remains at the worth of $3.04, with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47, with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753, with a coursing mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana. And in most recent 24 hours, the DECENTRALAND cost has been changed by 6.09%. DECENTRALAND Price Prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks ahead for the digital money market, DECENTRALAND MANA token is good to go to support serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive MANA figure and future market capitalization, the street ahead is brimming with pedals, gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the DECENTRALAND cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling above $4.8 in the market of the crypto, according to our impartial crypto conjecture, for the year 2022 DECENTRALAND MANA cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and conjecture, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from now on. DECENTRALAND gauge by specialists recommends contributing at the ongoing value level might give extensive revisitations of dealers in the close to term, and they would have the option to settle on a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell DECENTRALAND. As indicated by the price expectation for MANA, the crypto cost will reach $5.1 by 2022. The anticipated DECENTRALAND cost can additionally ascend to $5.8 by the December. Market examiners estimate the MANA to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of compassing. DECENTRALAND Price Prediction 2023. DECENTRALAND MANA has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. In view of our DECENTRALAND cost conjectures, these elements can help the MANA token increase a lot greater cost of $6.7 in 2023. If the drive for utilitarian crypto go on into 2023, the crypto may try and see a worldview rush, according to our DECENTRALAND MANA cost expectation 2023. DECENTRALAND Price Prediction 2024. Dissecting